Midwest safety. Rookie cop gets crushed by a high-speed pit.
Georgia state troopers found a reportedly stolen truck after license plate readers detected the vehicle. Reports indicate troopers encountered the truck 2 times earlier that day before this third pursuit initiated.
477, I'm right behind them.
Suspect already knew he was coming for him. He already taking
Collins
off.
Hill Road, Collins Glen Circuit. Yeah, as far as I know, he's 1080 because he's still giving it all he's got.
Troopers requested assistance from the Lawrenceville Police Department. This cruiser, which housed a recruit in the passenger seat, began to make their way towards the scene.
All right, 477, take a breath and just tell us where you are.
I'm driving south on Collins Hill Road.
I said a rookie, a recruit or something. I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to get a recruit into something like this.
Maybe.
Okay, you're near Chandler. Give us some cross streets now. You're coming toward Lawrenceville.
Taylor Road northwest for Cross Street. We're going under a green light for Taylor Road. Clear, 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 clear.
Lawrenceville PD, they're coming now. Copy.
He just ran the red light at Camden Creek.
Another trooper joins the call and drives towards the suspect.
At least they're not driving that fast. Look at that.
All right, going around him, going around him.
This officer's driving faster than they are.
Staying on him. Staying on him. Clear, clear.
What's the point of the red
He
light
just ran
counter?
another red light. We're coming up on Wildcat Lake Drive.
He is 1080. He's 1080.
10-4, unit 10-10, 10-10, I will put that to you in a 99 vehicle.
Come on, Nate, you got this?
What is that, a Toyota? Something? Truck ain't fast, so I don't see why you would run from police.
10-4 clear.
Going through the red light at Russell Road.
Why did they tell us about the car with the recruit if it's not even going towards the high-speed chase?
Come on, stick with it. There you go. We're driving in the center lane, still on Collins Hill, coming up on Crystal River Drive.
All right, any units that stop that he's going to be coming down to 316. I'm taking 316.
Picking up speed.
7690 is headed to the Loop Highway.
Come on.
Everyone's watching. We'll be with you shortly. Everyone, are you on GSP channel? You're not. I just want to confirm you're on GSP.
If they can't hear your sirens, they ain't gonna hear the horn. The people in their own world.
Be on GSP channel right now.
Come on, baby, let's get him.
Come on, baby, let's get them.
77, where are you?
We're going over 316, still on Collins Hill.
This visual reveals 2 other vehicles joined the pursuit at some point. This trooper turns around and joins them, making a total of 4 cruisers in pursuit.
But I got all the backup now.
Green light, clear, clear.
477, slow
What
down.
did he
There's a
say?
roundabout up there.
Rookie cop gets crushed.
10-4, we both slow down.
All right, go down. Where are you? Northdale Road, about Lawrence Store, coming into the square.
The pursuit heads toward the densely crowded town square. Devastating civilian fatalities may occur if the pursuit isn't ended soon.
10-4.
7690 still on the loop highway. I'm coming.
We got an update on the location and any felonies.
We're going through the second roundabout. We're staying straight on the roundabout.
All right, 407, just drive. Let me call it. If you get a chance to pin them, spin them out. We gotta stop this. They're coming into a lot of traffic.
10-4.
10 to 323. We're only blocking intersections. We cannot participate. Doesn't meet criteria.
Understood.
Body cam footage shows the Lawrenceville officer and his recruit are aware of the pursuit, but hints they are not in direct contact with Georgia State Troopers. This appears to cause miscommunications about commands and the pursuit's exact location.
All right, now I'm coming up on them, about to pit.
Oh man.
Come on,
Take
baby.
me.
Get them there.
Why would you pit on a train track or a hill or whatever that was?
We got
North Clayton. Possibly coding. Are you okay? I don't know. It's okay. It's okay. Get out of the car.
Hey, my boy panicking. Lost.
Get out of the car. Help me up. I'm good.
Both hands! I don't give a crap! Reach up! Reach up, boy! Reach up!
Rated. Lars, will you give us a code 4? Felony takedown.
At least it's nothing that officer can get in trouble for.
I don't know. Come back here.
I mean, he wasn't in the chase.
I got you. You're okay.
Climb out!
I'm out with them.
It's okay.
My face hurts.
It's okay.
My face
It's
hurts.
okay.
My wrist hurts.
It's okay. Come back over here.
Nathan, are you okay?
I'm good.
All right.
Stay with these folks. He's a Lawrenceville recruit. Please keep him safe, okay? Yeah, we will. Oh, Lord, thank you for keeping me safe. Woo! BJ, I'm on you, brother.
Good?
I'm good.
You run into him? He hit you head up?
Fuck yeah, he hit me.
Do you have a shield? Shield!
Mikey, we need a shield. Hey, how's crossfire? Hey, y'all step back! Get out of the crossfire!
Nate, I'm stuck inside, Corp. I can't open the door.
Hey, boy, this is a shit show.
That's why I'm stuck.
You good?
I'm good. You need a glass breaker?
Yeah, we're trying to get one.
There.
Am I bleeding on my face? Yeah, a little bit.
Hey, brother. How you doing? I'm all right. Pride's hurt.
Sure you alright? Okay. I don't know what his speed was. They crested that hill. I saw him. I tried to lock up.
Within his vehicle, we're trying to get him out. Trying to get the top out. Stand by. Cruiser, you all right?
Sit down. Get out of the fight.
Hey, my guy's in that building.
Go sit with him. You're out of the fight right here.
Hey, y'all got a Halligan? They need a Halligan.
Are you good?
I did. He's in that building.
Is he all right?
Hey, he's walking.
Is that you?
Yeah, this is me.
All right, so we ain't worried about him. We're going to take care of you. He created his own mess.
I'm fine. Find my guy.
Yeah, let me...
He's in this building. Are you okay? I can't hear much out of my right ear. Right side of my face is hurting.
I will get a paramedic too.
Are you okay?
What did he do?
The GSP was chasing a stolen car,
Oh,
and they wrecked into our vehicle. Are you?
well,
are you
do you
okay?
want ice and stuff?
I'm fine.
Two officers. What are you doing?
Treat him.
This guy right
Treat
here.
him. Oh.
The one that's pointing, I'm the one with the grab in the back of your van. Can you check him? He was part of the accident. He's got blood coming from his hands. I got arms and stuff like that.
He's hurt as well. He's part of the court. I'm fine.
Oh, you good?
I'm fine. I'm
Oh
fine.
my God, that was 2 departments.
It's a dangerous job. Still want to do it though. What happened? We're gonna hold intersections. We're trying to find out where they were. I had my lights and siren on, not speeding, and he got us right there.
They pitted in front of you? They pitted into you?
Somebody was going sideways.
We pulled him out first, and I grabbed him by the vest. It was like freaking Vietnam, pulling him away from the battle scene. Trying not to pull him across the pavement, but it was better than the alternative, looking face to face with the bad guy.
Dude, I just got that car 2 weeks ago too.
Did you say welcome to law enforcement?
Yeah. Hey man.
Exactly.
Welcome to law enforcement.
It's a dangerous job if I didn't already tell you.
Yeah.
What you need to do is you need to go into the hospital and let them at least check you. X-ray that arm.
Sir, I don't know if you know this. I got a canine interview. I ain't missing at 3.
They will reschedule that.
Nope.
He said, I'm getting my spot.
Oh, dude, my weed scale broke, man.
Yes, man. So he pitted him, and y'all drove into the pit.
Review my camera to see what happened. All I saw was a burgundy truck coming sideways at me.
What the trooper's saying is he pitted him on the hill, and you guys were coming this
He was
way
going
and never
sideways
knew
at the
what was
crest.
coming. Wow. It's good. It's a good decision. I mean, I hate it happened to you guys, but I'm glad it didn't happen there.
Yeah.
With a bunch of civilians. Cool score now.
Oh, no!
What?
They go on 80.
Hey, cake or something?
No.
His donuts were in the back.
No. Fucking suit. I got an interview today.
Oh my God.
Leave it in your car. We're taking you up to the hospital, get checked out. Leave it in your car.
He's a new recruit. Today's the second day.
Hopefully he comes back tomorrow. What can I do to help you?
Well, I really...
Bet you he doesn't.
Get your suit and put it in my car.
Can you grab it? Mikey told me to leave it. Grab it for me. Grab it for me.
Thank you for the help.
Yeah, no worries. I worked here at Lawrenceville for 11 years.
That's what I heard.
I knew this area pretty well, and I totally forgot about those roundabouts.
Yeah.
This was a straight, boom.
Yeah,
That could have been a life-altering
And
situation.
I came there, I'm like, oh,
You're probably not gonna come back.
I'm just glad he got him before he got
Scared him
hurt.
straight.
Yeah, that would have been much worse.
Make sure we're taking all the charges on this guy.
Yeah, we are.
The recruit involved in the crash is now an officer for the
Oh, my
Lawrenceville Police Department,
wow.
living up to his own dedication to the force. The officer driving with him, who was very concerned about his interview to become a K-9 officer, also achieved his goals by becoming a K-9 officer for the department shortly after. The suspect faced 1 count of theft by receiving stolen property, 1 count of fleeing law enforcement for a felony offense, and 1 count of reckless driving. He likely pled not guilty at first due to spending over a year in jail awaiting trial. In May 2024, he changed his plea to nolo contendere on 2 charges, meaning he would accept conviction without admitting guilt. For his theft charge, he was adjudicated guilty. For all 3 charges, he was sentenced to 1 year in prison and 5 years of probation. However, 380 days of jail credit was applied, so his prison term was already served at his sentencing. If he abides by the rules, he is set to complete probation in 2029.
Nah, there's certain people that shouldn't be let out. He put everybody in danger. He could have, ended somebody in this chase. I mean, the officer did pit him on a hill that you can't see over, but it's still gonna fall on the suspect because he was evading arrest.